Sherry and I'm the founder of Flotality Yoga. Today I'm going to teach you how to do Garland pose or squat, as some people might see it as. So this is a really good hip opening posture. It helps stretch the thighs, stretch the groin, get into the hip flexors, help with hip mobility and also help with ankle mobility and flexibility too. So it's a really good posture for most people to do, and it will help with most people's daily activities, particularly if you're sitting down for a long period of time. So if you come to your mat or a space on the floor wherever you're practicing today, and just take your feet just outside of hip distance, so squat stance for those of you out there who are fitness addicts. And then we're going to inhale to lift the hands up above the head. Bring the palms together, and then as you exhale, come sit down into the bottom of your squat. So keep your feet flat on the floor. Try and keep your heels on the floor, and bring your elbows to your knees so that you're pushing your knees out. Pull your chest through, pull your hands to your heart, and pull your shoulder blades back and down. So you're lifting and lengthening through the spine out of the bottom of your back. And just hold here for a few breaths. So 5 to 10 breaths is a good kind of estimate of how long to hold this pose for. It will feel uncomfortable at first. The more you do it, the easier it will get. Back in historical times, this is actually a resting pose, and you'll find in many areas of India and the eastern countries, they do take lots of meetings like this, they eat their food like this. It's quite a normal, relaxing pose to sit in, just us Westerners that have adapted it to a chair. So if you're comfortable here and you want to add movement, or you're getting bored here and you want to add movement, try just relaxing one hand to the floor. Inhale and twist to lift open to the side. Exhale, bring that hand back down. Replace it where the other hand was, and then inhale and lift and twist to the other side. Exhale, bring it down. Or you can add a bounce, or you can even duck walk this to just open up those hips, whatever you want. If you're struggling to keep your heels to the floor, you could grab a block or some plates if you've got plates in your gym, weight plates, and you can just simply put your heels on the block. You might find it's quite narrow, you might need 2 blocks, and sit down there. And then eventually, as you become more relaxed in the pose, you can remove the block and place your feet flat on the floor. To come out of the pose, you're just going to inhale to lift up, and then exhale as you step the feet together and relax the arms. So that's Garland pose. Thank you for watching.